Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruby Having Fun. Today's adventure brings me to Granite Falls, Washington, gateway to the Mountain Loop Highway, where I'm at the Show and Shine annual car show event here in Granite Falls. We got the street shut down here for the event. Got cars all lined up all the way down as far as the eye can see. So I'll be showing you what that's all about in a minute, but before I do so, I want to show you what Granite Falls may be most known for, some would say, and that's this pizza place here. Apparently, the actor Chris Pratt, who plays Star-Lord in Guardians of the Galaxy, used to live here in the area and worked at this Omega Pizza and Pasta place here in town, where I'm going to go inside real quick and show you a mural that he painted apparently, and then I'm gonna go and show you what the car show is all about. Let's take a look. So yeah, here in the back room, the little game room here inside the pizza place, you got your pool table, but there's this mural on the wall right here. If you look, it's signed by the one and only Chris Pratt, and there's a picture of him when he was a young man. Pretty cool. I had no idea about this. I've been here multiple times visiting my family, and this is the first I've ever heard of this. So yeah, the one and only Chris Pratt, right here in Granite Falls, Washington, the small town of Granite Falls. Thank you. You too.
He's gonna freak out.
Looks like there's a combination of classic and modern, like this 2017 Corvette here. Pretty sweet. This pretty sweet Jurassic Park Jeep here with the little mini one in back. An old Mitsubishi, I think it's a Mitsubishi Talon. And then you got this Chevy Love here. I never see these anywhere. It looks like they put some type of Mitsubishi engine in it. This one's all souped up. Put new gauges in there. Looks like they updated the interior. It's got, yeah, this thing's all souped up. Look at those tires. It's pretty sweet.
Land Cruiser like
This
yours.
is an old Land Cruiser diesel.
And it's a big long.
The long one here. This one's super rare, it looks like. It's got the steering wheel over on the other side. Pretty awesome. What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Great. Very cool. The Black Widow. We're out here in front of the fire station. Found a nice old fire truck to sit on.
Don't they have an older
They
one?
usually have it open so they can get something to eat.
They usually have one that's older than this.
It's even got the wood bed. Very cool.
Then there's that Bronco over there. That's really what you want to have.
Yeah, that Bronco's nice. What's this, the Gravedigger car? What are these called?
That's a panel van.
It's Gravedigger. No, it's a Dodge.
No, it's a Dodge.
Yeah. This thing's old. Look at that horn there. That's cool. And then like the one new piece of equipment. It's got a motorcycle in back too. An old Triumph. You can see that, yeah. This would be cool, all fixed up. This is a beauty here. This is a beauty here. Old Shelby. And just getting rained on. That sucks. Got a special place in my heart for Ford Mustangs. So this is probably my favorite thing I've seen so far. Look at that. So cool. Wood steering wheel.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice little paint job on this one. I guess it's got an owie there, a little band-aid, but look at that, Hot Wheels. Yeah, that's got a nice paint job there. Yeah. The Mitsubishi?
No.
Oh. This here, this purple
that
one, I
one there.
think it's a Hellcat.
Not a red eye.
What's this? Oh, a Bumblebee. What's that?
But it's a Hemi.
Yeah. I don't know what the Bumblebee means, but let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, look at this.
Get there, buddy.
Got the exhaust coming out the back. Sweet little flag holder. That's badass. This one here has got a sweet little mural on the inside of the hood. That's cool. Some Monte Carlo. Pretty sure this is a Monte Carlo. Oh, it's a Malibu. This thing's all tricked out to go real fast. I'm talking about tires. Look at those bad boys. Yeah, this thing's like a dragster. Oh yeah, it's got the roll cage in it and everything. Damn. Look at this Camaro. This has had some work done on it. Wow. 1967. Another roll cage. Yeah, this one's fast. Oh yeah. Look at those. Badass.
Good, that's alright.
Yeah.
I don't want to upset him. He's obviously saying
Alright.
this is my
Yeah.
story. You know? He's afraid to.
Oh, look at that.
Come on.
Hitting on this side the other day. I'm not sure what's going on. Usually he's right down in there.
We're not getting in the car. We're just hanging out here. Don't get all nervous. Stick. All right.
Look at that thing.
Good boy. Whoa.
You see that? How it comes up? That's awesome.
Not quite, huh?
Right, I see what happened. Looks like this one here's got pushed in or something.
Uh-huh. Did you do that yourself? Did you make this yourself? Or?
Yeah. It's the original front end. I bought donor fenders for the back half,
Uh-huh.
and then it pivots on. This is actually the bumper bracket right here.
Uh-huh.
And it came all the way back to here, and I just pivoted it off the front bolt hole.
Wow.
And then we just Dakota Digital actuators.
Awesome.
It goes up like that.
What building's that?
That's the City Hall. That little, like, yeah.
This is not lining up right on this one here when it comes down.
Oh yeah.
Sitting here, right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
This is going down inside of it.
He said, I don't want that dog. I'm gonna take him out.
About that.
No, the one with
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
the flashier, the better. So what did he do? Show you?
He just showed me how it works.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool. There's a ton of these Challengers out here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Another one of these, I don't know what this is. Bumblebee. I mean, I don't know that much about cars, so it's probably obvious, but... Uh-oh, that's not nice. I don't have a Prius, so it's okay. Look at this Charger. A buddy of mine used to have one of these. It wasn't this nice. Just like this. Actually, was it just like this? I think his might have been. No, it was just like this. This was all primered out and stuff, though. It's pretty sweet. Other than the color, this thing's a curiosity. He does lift. Look at that. How would you like to get picked up in a lift that look like this? That's awesome. Yeah, I would drive this. Oh, check this one out. The Project Hemi Superbird, fabled 1970 R-Code Mopar. Got the big wing on the back there. This one's pretty sweet. Look at that. The Roadrunner Superbird. That's pretty awesome. Always been a sucker for these old Land Cruisers. Here's another one. It's a little different looking than that other one I showed earlier. Beautiful paint job. It's got the flatbed. Look at that thing. Steering wheel on this side of the car. It's awesome. That's a beauty. Another thing that I'm not participating in, you see these little orange envelopes? They hand out like a ticket booth, I don't know, or a ticket book. Not exactly sure where you get it, but you pull off pieces out of the ticket booth and you vote on your favorite cars, and that's how they determine the winner of the car show. Some of the cars at this show, I'm not even sure how this gets into a car show, but it's entered. I guess, I don't know what this, I don't know what's so special about this. It's funny. I mean, I guess you can consider it classic. It's probably a 90, what is it? A 92, so it's almost 30 years old. It's crazy. Oh, look at this these bad boys over here. Oh, these are like little race cars.
Stiff as a fucking. Because you guys
These like demolition derby cars or what?
Yeah, minimum pass. It's like the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. That's the only way they can pass is it.
Gotcha. Right on. Looks like fun.
Yeah, these are just light contacts too.
Yeah.
Except
Right.
for when you hit the wall.
supposed to be light contact, but they hit it kind of hard.
Sometimes, yeah.
What are you doing, boy?
All right, so we're back in the car. That's it. That's the the annual Granite Falls Show and Shine car show. And we're gonna end it there. So everybody, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, see you in the next video.